This week's fun is going to be about speaking Excel and learning conversational spreadsheet. I am your linguist teacher, and we'll learn how to speak fluent spreadsheet today because Excel isn't just software, it's a lifestyle. So forget French or Spanish, right? This is the language of data. And every phrase is a formula and every emotion an error code. But be careful because you might cause spontaneous pivoting. Let's get into the lesson. Obviously, this is meant for fun, so take it for what it is. Common greetings and phrases, lesson one. Pound NA is a polite way to say, I don't know. Control Z means take it back immediately. When you're freezing the panes, that's the awkward silence at the table. When you're merging the cells, that might be the office romance that probably went public. Protecting a sheet is someone being defensive. And then my favorite is when somebody says, V look up me sometime. That means to call them later. Lesson two, some emotional expressions. Pound value is outrage or disbelief. Pound ref is complete confusion. I have no idea what you're talking about. Pound div by zero is an impossible demand. So, when the stakeholders ask us to deliver our projects in a week, that's definitely a pound divided by zero. Circular reference is just the endless argument loop that you get in with some coworkers and possibly some spouses. The pound name is forgetting someone's name. Pound num is when the math doesn't add up. And pound average, nobody wants to be called that. So stay away from the average. And look, a little bit of fun. Here's the final exam. Hopefully you are now fluent in Excel. But here's the test is when somebody says, if you want pizza, you can build out your code that says if hungry equals true, then yes, otherwise no. Your pound ref is a good way to express your confusion, show the disbelief with pound value, politely decline with pound NA. If you have that circular reference, you'll want to end that argument. And conditional formatting is actually used well to dress for your mood, right? If good mood, then green, perhaps. And then finally, sum up your feelings about this course. Hope you had as much fun as I did making this, and thanks for watching.